Hi, I'm Matej Polak, Product Manager from RLS. Today, let's explore why non-contact encoders are the preferred choice for precision and reliability in industrial applications. In motion control, encoders are generally classified as contact-based or non-contact encoders. Contact-based encoders such as potentiometric models rely on direct mechanical contact to measure position, which can lead to wear and reduced accuracy over time. In contrast, non-contact encoders, including optical and magnetic variants, use technologies such as light beams or magnetic field sensors to determine motion. This ensures long service life and a measurement accuracy without mechanical wear, which makes them ideal for applications that require high reliability and minimal maintenance. Optical encoders use LED or laser light to detect position changes via a patterned disk and offer high resolution and accuracy. However, they are sensitive to dust and dirt, which can affect their reliability in harsh environments. Magnetic encoders, which are our specialty, use magnetic fields and Hall effect sensors to determine position. These encoders offer robust performance in harsh environments and maintain their accuracy despite dust, oil, or moisture. With absolute and incremental options, they offer flexibility in different applications and ensure precise feedback and long-term stability. Smooth operation increases lifespan and ensures stable performances and minimal maintenance over time. Magnetic encoders are characterized by their resistance to environmental contamination. The IP68 rated models offer protection against dust and water and remain reliable even in conditions that would be challenging for other conventional encoders. Their durability ensures precise operation in industrial automation, robotics, medical technology, and automotive manufacturing. Precision is another area in which our magnetic non-contact encoders excel. With a resolution of up to 23 bits and an angular accuracy of ± 4 millidegrees, they provide the precise feedback required for demanding tasks such as CNC machining, high-speed assembly lines, medical robots, wind turbines, and other applications. Unlike mechanical sensors that wear out over time, non-contact encoders maintain their accuracy regardless of wear or environmental factors. Many models also offer true absolute positioning capabilities, so position data remains accurate even after a power failure. In addition, compatibility with communication interfaces such as BIS-C, SPI, SSI, UART, and analog outputs enables seamless integration into modern control systems. In addition to technical performance, non-contact encoders also offer significant cost benefits. By eliminating the need for frequent repairs and replacements, companies can reduce both maintenance costs and operational downtime. This leads to improved productivity and long-term savings, making non-contact encoders a smart investment. If you have any questions or you would like to learn more how RLS non-contact encoders can improve your applications, feel free to contact us.